In this next construction, I want to look at these curly braces and see what those do. Curly braces, inside the curly braces is a number that represents X or M, in this case, number of repetitions of a letter or a character for that matter. So let's go back to our little testing ground here, Regex 101, and I've added this thing down here. This is taken from the old Happy Days, right? Fonzie would go, A. So I have a bunch of A's here. As a matter of fact, I have, well, E's. I have 6 E's in this thing. So if I want to represent 6 E's, I would make an E, and there's all the E's. And then I want to put inside this set of curly braces how many times I want that to occur. And here you can see all 6 of these occurs. Now, what if I put 5 in there? Yeah, it only sees the first 5 and it leaves off the 6th one. Now, let's say that I wanted to match this entire thing. And I know that it's going to start with the single quote or the apostrophe. So I'm going to put the apostrophe there. Now you can see that matches. And then I want 6 E's. So I'm going to make 6 E's. And then I'm going to end in H. Oops, I wanted to end. I'm going to end in H. And now I've got the entire A represented here. And I've just put 6 E's in a row using this curly brace. So we can use this to represent a list of things. Now, if I had something like this with 5 E's and then an H, and I wanted to distinguish between the two. I want it to match this one, but not this one. Well, I've done that here. I've said, well, it must have 6 E's and an H. What would happen if I did one with 7 of these? Well, again, no match here because it's got to start with the apostrophe. It's got to have exactly 6 E's and then end in H. So it only matches this one right here, this top one, and it doesn't match these two. Pretty cool, huh?